As you can see behind me, made it to the Alaskan Highway, mile 0. Dawson City. Let's recap yesterday. I had a late start yesterday. Why? I don't remember why, but I got a late start yesterday. And I wanted to try to make it to some campgrounds to camp for the first time. But that wasn't happening. So I got to Dawson City, did about a little over 500 miles. Took a hotel. Got some needed rest. And decided I'm going to start slowing it down miles wise. Today I'm going to the Strawberry Flats Campground. It's 400 and something miles from here. And I'm going to camp out tonight. Well, let's recap yesterday. Yesterday was a nice ride. It was cold in the morning, windy, wet when I left. Oh, this is what happened yesterday. My helmet broke, which I covered. Anyway, so that's why I got a late start. Ended up at the hotel. But on the way, it started to get nice out. Then this guy I asked him what restaurants are good. It was a small town. He's like, go to the golf course, is the best Chinese food. I said, Chinese food? I was like, yeah. I didn't listen to him. I got a club sandwich. The Chinese food looked amazing though. Somebody else ordered it. I didn't get it. So anyway, I ate, kept going. I ended up hitting some rain again, which is great in this suit, doesn't matter. However, I ran into my second hailstorm of the trip. And I got pelted with hail. It wasn't too much good, too much fun. I forced my way through it. I couldn't put my other GoPro on because it was dangerous. I finally got it on towards the end of the hailstorm, which you'll see here. I continued on with the Dawson City. It was a nice ride. I liked it. Today, like I said, going to Strawberry Flats Campground. Okay, it's supposed to have great reviews. And let's get on the road. 400 miles to go. So apparently I'm stuck on the road here, trying to get to at least Fort Nelson, maybe get something to eat, get out of this rain. Cold, wet, rainy, it's like 50 something degrees. This suit is amazing, I keep saying that, but I don't know why this red light is on. I can't even show it to you right now, but wish I can. Thank you. Twist that around. I thought there was a guy standing over there, but it's the helmet, vest. That's what I'm waiting. There's no reason for this light to be on. Yeah, no reason for this light to be on. As soon as I get off this bike to rest, I guarantee the light goes green. Well, that's my life. Welcome to it. All right, I just got to Strawberry Flats Campground, and it's full. There's nowhere else to go. So I went all the way down to the end, and I rode up these rocks. Luckily, this bike can handle it easily. Parked it here, and I think I'm gonna set up my tent right here. Great view. Nobody really around, and the bathrooms are right over there, which is good because I had some sushi. It's working its way out. Anyway, not a bad sight until I get kicked out. Let's set this thing up. So this perfect camping spot. I mean, this is perfect. Doesn't work with my kind of tent. I can't get stakes in this ground. It's all rocks. I gotta move. I gotta find a place to stay. I don't know. I have no Wi-Fi, so I can't find a hotel. I mean, not Wi-Fi. I have no signal. There's a lodge right up the street. I'm gonna have to rough it and stay over there. All right, it's been fun. Let's go check it to a lodge. Hopefully I'll be seen again.